This is a super fast way to make slideshows in Photos. So I went ahead and opened my Photos app. I can do that through my magnifying glass on the upper right hand corner, or I can do Command Spacebar and I search for Photos. So once I'm in the Photos program, you will see that all of them start to populate. It may take a little while because it does talk to your iCloud and talk through Wi-Fi in order for them to populate. So then I can simply go up to File, down to Create, and over to Slideshow. Now, paying attention, if you want to order physical products like cards or books, this is also a great way to do that. So we're just going to go to Create Slideshow and then Photos, and ba-boom, here is my test run, Creative Tools. And then because I had those 5 pictures selected, it will then create a slideshow for me. I can hit play to see what the stock is. And if I want to edit, I always say it's a little tricky, but it's over here on the right-hand side. You'll see 2 boxes here, which is your theme picker, your music, and then your timing. So you can click on that theme picker and then choose from about the 7 different options they have available. Then you can click their music. Now this is a little tricky. In order to replace the music from what is already there, you do have to click this little X to get rid of the music and then come back to your music library where you can upload your songs. There are different songs here, or you can download your own, but they do have to be in your iTunes account for you to use them. If you want to use songs from the internet, not a big deal. You just download them into your iTunes and then they will show up in your music library. The timer allows you to definitely speed up. I think slideshows need to be sped up most of the time. And then you can do your transitions between and then choose whether you scale the photos to fit into the screen. And if you need to rearrange, you can simply click and drag. And that is it, my friends. That is how to make a slideshow inside Photos. Now, I already have these photos inside my program. If your students don't have any assets for what they need, for example, in an academic setting, Safari is your friend for using this browser. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and go back to Safari and I'm going to search for soccer ball. And inside Safari, I'm going to go ahead and even click on my images. And if I want to use this really great soccer ball, I'm going to do a control click. And then when you're in Safari, now this is only in Safari, and you do a control click, which is a right click essentially on a Mac, add image to Photos. So your learners can, if they use Safari, do a control click or a right click and add these images directly to Photos to then, after a little while, it will pop into your Photos and then they can make slideshows accordingly. And it will take a little while. Let me see, hopefully it will pop up to my end. I do have over 40,000 photos, so it takes a little while for those that I demonstrate to populate, but it will pop into your Photos account and you will see that you can then make a slideshow with that. Thanks for watching.